Okay, so 3 ways not to get screwed by your roofing contractor. Number 1, vet them on Google. Make sure that they've been in business for at least 2 years. Take a look at their Google accounts, take a look at their reviews, Facebook, Instagram, BBB, etc. Make sure they're a reputable company. Number 2, don't give that roofing contractor any money as an upfront down payment on the project. If they can't financially fund the project, you need to work with somebody who actually has a business and not just a job. Number 3, be sure, and I can't stress how important this is, be sure that that roofing company is providing you a workmanship warranty, as well as the manufacturing company of the shingles is also providing you a workmanship warranty and a product warranty. What happens is people will say, okay, I'm getting a 30-year shingle because the bundle there says it's a 30-year shingle or a lifetime shingle. That's another video. But they're getting a 30-year shingle. The thing is, the fine print says you have to do a lot of things in order to get that warranty. So again, to recap, make sure you vet the contractor, make sure you don't give them any money up front, and last but not least, make sure you're getting a warranty through the manufacturing company for labor and for the products as well. Guys, if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. You can reach out to us on the phone. If we're outside of your service area, go ahead and reach out to us anyway. We're connected with contractors all around the nation who line up with our core values, and that's helping you get what you deserve, and that's ultimately the best. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.